To understand the similarity and difference between democracy and republic, first, let's talk about government. What is government? A government is the group of people governing an organized community, generally a state or a country. Where do that group of people come from? Well, it depends on what kind of methods the country follows to select that group of people. In an absolute monarchy, the monarch, usually king or queen, holds supreme autocratic authority. She become head of the state for a lifetime. After she dies, the throne passes to their offspring and the cycle continues. In this way, group of people is formed. However, in democracy, people have the authority to choose the group of people. They choose from their own population through votes, discussion or any other methods. So, what is democracy? Democracy is a form of government in which people have the authority to their governing legislator. How does it differ from the republic? To understand that, first, let's talk about why democracy is needed. In the monarch system, not every king, queen is good. She bring policies and rules not based on people's interest but for their own interest. And also, in the greed of getting throne, son murder his father, younger brother murder his elder brother and stuff like that. So, the royal family do not feel safe within their own family members. They think more about their throne rather than people. To solve that problem, democracy is needed. However, in democracy too, group of people, who got selected to govern the country doesn't always right. After getting power, that group of people show their true nature. They bring policies not based on people's interest but based on their own personal interest, which is not always right. To overcome this problem, the term republic is introduced. In a republic, the country is considered a public matter, not the private concern or property of the rulers. The primary positions of power are attained through democracy and after then controlled by the constitution of that country. The group of people holding power can only do those things which are given by the constitution of that country. If any people find their representative is going against the constitution, they can file a case in the court against the representative. So, what is a republic? A republic is a form of government in which power is held by the people and their elected representatives. What is the similarity between democracy and republic? In both systems, people choose government from their own population using votes or any other methods. What are the differences between democracy and republic? In a democracy, the government can exercise its powers based on their own interest. In a republic, the government can exercise its powers which are given by the constitution of that country. Public people cannot interfere with the decision. Public people can interfere with the decision. No one is above the elected representatives. A constitution is above the elected representatives. So, a king, queen is needed to properly function this system. There is no need for a king, queen to properly function this system.